big thing is, you know, if we can see how it's foaming, you know, that's the important thing, is that it, you know, a little bit goes a long way, because once it hits the metal, it's going to move all around. Being that it, you know, solvent free, but it wets aggressively to the metal, we're actually, you know, we're replacing and dissolving away the dirty stale grease that was in there. That cable right here will rust out on you, and it'll cause the biggest, that's the #1 failure on these type of garage doors. And so if you hit the cable hookup and stop any corrosion down in there, and just one thing, you can see the foaming on the cable. If you see that foaming on the cable, you know, that wetting means that it's going to move 100% around that cable and to the interior of the cable. But the big thing is right there, #1 corrosion failure event on these type of garage doors is that hookup right there.